Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf. Qala innaka minal munzarin. Translation: Allah said, you are of those granted the respite. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the incidents of Adam and Iblis, and we studied that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created Adam alayhi salam and he ordered all the angels to prostrate to Adam alayhi salam, all the angels prostrated, but Iblis, who was a jinn but present among the angels due to his high worship and high status given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he became arrogant and he refused to obey the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of prostrating to Adam alayhi salam. And this made him lose his status and position right away, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent him out from paradise and skies. And then he asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's permission, and what he asked was for time from the creation of Adam alayhi salam to the end of the world, so that he can try to make Adam alayhi salam and his children go astray from the straight path. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allowed him and gave him that permission, and this ayah that is recited is talking about that permission, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that yes, you are given the permission till the end of the time. And in the next ayahs we will study that how he would tell his plan about making Adam alayhi salam and his children stray from the straight path. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, give us the heart that can feel the thoughts put by shaitan, and help us save ourselves from the tricks of shaitan, and give us a pure heart that can follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and his messenger. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa